Sinoboom's latest articulating boom lift, AB10J. A multifunctional small boom lift suitable for indoor and outdoor operations, with excellent performance, allowing you to operate freely in a variety of working environments. Powerful performance, precise control. Equipped with a rated load of 250 kilograms, it can easily carry 2 people and tools. 3 proportional control joysticks provide a precise and comfortable operating experience. Excellent site adaptability. The 0.25 meters ground clearance ensures excellent passability. The front and rear oscillating axle design, combined with the 4-wheel drive full-time oscillating system, enables this low-meter boom lift to easily go off-road. Efficient control. Energy-saving power. Features a load sensing system for fast response and low energy loss, improving work efficiency. Equipped with an 18.2 kilowatts Kubota engine, it provides strong power while maintaining low fuel consumption. Intelligent operation, durable design. The 7-inch smart screen enables one-stop information query and equipment maintenance, simplifying the operation process. Stainless steel casing that is sturdy, durable, waterproof and bump-proof, ensuring long-term stable operation of the equipment. Compact and portable, flexible transportation. The machine measures 1.85 meters wide and 1.99 meters high, making it easy to move and transport. A simple trailer can be used for low-cost, high-efficiency transportation. Sinoboom AB10J, your efficient work partner, making tasks simpler, safer and more economical.